Sunday's precise and important news. Afghanistan is moving towards a positive direction. Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan Foreign Affairs Minister Maulavi Muttaqi says, Afghanistan is moving towards stability as a gradual positive change is seen in the views of the world about the country, and they acknowledge the balanced foreign policy of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan. Afghanistan National Standards Authority officials visit Turkmenistan. The leadership delegation of the Afghanistan National Standards Authority went to Turkmenistan to strengthen relations between the standards agencies of both countries and to solve the problems of petroleum products. The Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan Foreign Affairs Ministry in a statement condemned the burning of Quran in the strongest terms. Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan Foreign Ministry has condemned the burning of a copy of the Quran during a protest in Sweden, describing it as a vile act, and has asked the Swedish government to punish the perpetrator. 2 convicts punished for their crimes in Bamiyan. According to the Supreme Court, 2 alleged criminals were punished for the crime of theft with Tazri punishment in public in Bamiyan province yesterday. The smuggling of lithium stones prevented. The Islamic Emirate forces prevented smuggling of 300 tons of lithium stones brought from Kunar and Nuristan to Nangarhar. The mentioned lithium, which was gradually brought to Nangarhar, was handed over to the Ministry of Mines officials. The Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan also sealed 700 tons more lithium stones in Kunar. Acting Foreign Minister talked over the phone with his Chinese counterpart. Maulavi Amir Khan Muttaqi, Acting Foreign Minister, talked with Ken Gong, Foreign Minister of China, over a telephone communication. In the said telephonic conversation, both sides emphasized on strengthening diplomatic relations between Afghanistan and China.